Crypto policies enter US election discourse. As the US presidential race heats up, both major parties are incorporating cryptocurrency regulation into their platforms to attract younger voters. Japan remains cautious on crypto ETFs. Despite a global increase in crypto exchange-traded funds, ETFs, Japan's financial regulators remain hesitant. Crypto industry shows preference for Trump. With the possibility of Donald Trump's return to the White House, many in the crypto industry anticipate favorable changes. Crypto loans gain popularity despite risks. Crypto loans, which allow borrowers to leverage their digital assets as collateral, are gaining traction. MicroStrategy stock surges beyond Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy stock is now valued at nearly 3 times the market worth of its Bitcoin reserves. US prosecution targets crypto fraud network. Federal prosecutors have filed charges against 15 individuals and 3 companies accused of orchestrating a large-scale cryptocurrency fraud. Tether faces federal investigation on AML violations. US federal authorities are investigating Tether for potential violations of anti-money laundering, AML, and sanctions regulations. Nigeria drops charges against crypto executive. Nigerian authorities have released an American cryptocurrency executive following dropped money laundering charges. Bitcoin outpaces S&P 500 in market gains. Since September, Bitcoin has surged over 14%, notably outperforming the S&P 500, which grew by just 3%. High-profile investors predict Bitcoin's ascent to $200,000. Influential investors are buying up Bitcoin, forecasting significant price gains over the coming years. Tether CEO denies reports of federal investigation. Following reports of a federal probe, Tether's CEO has stated there is no indication of ongoing investigations by US authorities. South Korea to enforce crypto trade regulations by 2025. Starting mid-2025, South Korea plans to regulate cross-border cryptocurrency transactions. FBI creates crypto token for undercover sting. In a unique approach, the FBI has developed its own cryptocurrency token as part of an undercover fraud investigation. El Salvador remains committed to Bitcoin as legal currency, despite initial skepticism. The government asserts that Bitcoin adoption promotes financial inclusion among unbanked citizens. China's ban on crypto transactions intensifies. China has reiterated its strict ban on all cryptocurrency-related transactions. This comprehensive prohibition aims to curb financial risks associated with digital assets. India's crypto regulation lacks clarity. Though the Supreme Court lifted India's ban on cryptocurrency, regulatory clarity remains elusive. South Africa tightens rules amid crypto scams. Following a rise in crypto-related scams, South Africa is moving towards stricter regulations for the industry. IMF calls for coordinated global crypto regulation. The International Monetary Fund stresses the importance of a unified global regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. US Treasury targets crypto tax evasion with new policy. The US Treasury is ramping up efforts to monitor cryptocurrency transactions for tax purposes. Basel Committee recommends bank capital for crypto holdings. The Basel Committee has issued guidance for banks to maintain higher capital reserves against cryptocurrency assets.
Hey everyone! Coinstorm News got something exciting for you. Our crypto expert is offering a free monthly recommendation on a hot meme coin with huge potential. Each month, you'll get exclusive insider tips on which meme coin could be your next big win. This is your chance to get ahead and make significant gains before the coin takes off. Don't miss out, subscribe now and stay tuned for these game-changing tips.
FATF expands crypto oversight with updated guidance. The Financial Action Task Force, FATF, has issued updated guidance, expanding requirements for cryptocurrency exchanges to comply with a travel rule. The European Union has introduced the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation to establish a unified crypto framework across member states. U.S. Justice Department appoints Director for Crypto Enforcement. The U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, has appointed a director to lead its National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team, NCET. President Biden has issued an executive order focused on responsible innovation and oversight of digital assets. SEC reaches settlement with Kraken on staking services. Kraken has reached a settlement with the SEC, agreeing to pay $30 million and make adjustments to its crypto staking services. SEC issues warning on crypto asset securities compliance. The US SEC has issued a warning to firms offering crypto asset securities, urging compliance with federal securities laws. US Treasury considers sanctions against Tether. The US Treasury Department is reportedly reviewing Tether for possible sanctions due to suspected misuse by restricted entities. European crypto market faces tightening regulation. Regulators in the EU are moving forward with tighter controls on digital assets, impacting markets and exchanges across Europe. Nigerian authorities have dropped legal action against Binance financial compliance head, releasing the official after charges were withdrawn.